वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली. सो आयज हांव क्विक मटन चॉप्स ग्रीन कोत्ता. सो ग्रीन मटन चॉप्स, एंड फॉर दॅट दिस इज हाफ kg of mutton chops and nicely washed. And the masala is very simple. That is little bit of coriander, 3 spicy green chillies to grind, 1 small green cardamom, 1 clove, 4 peppercorns, then 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This is what we need. We have to grind this into a fine paste, and then we have to cook this. Once the mutton is cooked nicely, that time we will add our salt to this. Okay, so let's start. Cook some oil, and now we will first fry this, and then we will add our masala which I have ground. So cover this and we will cook for few minutes. So we'll turn this now. This is not going to take a lot of time to cook. So now we will add our masala to this. Our green masala. And add half cup of water to this. And cook this till the chops are nicely cooked, and then we will add our salt to taste. Done. So we'll cover and cook this. So now we will add our salt to this, salt to taste. And cook it on low flame till it is nicely done. Mix this all. And we'll cook this till our mutton chops are nicely cooked, and later you can serve it with some lime juice on top. Cover. Our mutton chops is ready. It's ready. So ready to serve. It's nicely cooked. That's it. So quick and easy without pressure cooker. It depends on the mutton to mutton. So hope you all will enjoy this Goan mutton green chops. Try this and enjoy. Thank you. Devarekuru.
And here it is, lovely and tasty Goan green mutton chops. Yummy. Time for lunch.